Okay. What was there that you could do about, and how did you handle it?
Okay, I think the again, we need to actually, what I try that, I spread awareness that therapy is not a bad thing. You need to get help. If somebody is or had been a victim of any kind of abuse, they need help, they need professional help. So the kind of messages we are sending them as a society, or they're getting the kind of parental messages that, mostly women are taught to, not to raise their voices. Women are taught at home not to say no. Even if I give you my example, I would say that people looking at me and, seeing me talking and seeing me as an empowered person or an empowered woman, they would think that, I never had to go into that shell where I would also feel I would find it difficult to say no, because we are taught to say yes to most of the male gender at our place, right? From father to brother to cousins to mamu to uncles, that this is disrespect in the form of disrespect, or saying it that women are basically seen as disrespectful, or called names as, oh, she's very fast, or she's seen in a negative light if she says no. For example, a small scenario where a brother would say no if a sister is asking for something. For example, go bring this thing from market. He's allowed to say no. But if a sister says no, if he says, bring glass of water. For me, I'm talking about the masses, I'm not talking about a certain section of society. I'm talking about masses. The brother would be like really provoked and angered, and the system would be supporting him. How come she says no? So what has that girl learnt? She has learnt that if I'll say no to a specific gender, I am seen as a negative person, I'm seen as a bad girl. So this also translates into a behavior where now the girl is in a situation where there are sexual advances, and when there are chances of abuse, she goes into that shell, and she goes into that pattern where she would find it difficult to say no, or difficult to respond, or difficult to be assertive, because this is what she was taught at her own place.